Hello and welcome friends in my new video. Already I have explained all the formulas and their related formulas to you in the previous video of mine. Please see that video to learn the formulas of valuation of goodwill. Today we are going to solve the questions of goodwill. In this video we are going to solve the questions of average profit method. Okay, this is very important. Please try to understand because goodwill will be valued in each and every chapter of partnership, that is admission, retirement, death. So please try to understand the concept of goodwill properly. Let us start. Question number first. Goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase of 4 years average profit. Profit for last 4 years ended on 31st March of the firm where 2016 12,000, 2017 18,000, 2018 16,000, 2019 14,000. Calculate amount of goodwill. So let us start. Question number 1. Our formula is average profit equals to sum of all the years profit upon number of years. So let us find out the average. The profit given is 12,000 plus 18,000 plus 16,000 plus 14,000 upon 4. The total years are 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of years will be 4. Okay. So if you see the total 30 plus 30, 60,000 divided by 4 equals to 15,000. 15 for the 60. Now we say that the goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of 4 years average profit. We have taken already 4 years average profit. Now firm's goodwill equals to average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, this is very easy question. Into 3, so it is 45,000. Okay, now we move to question number 2. Profit for the 5 year ended on 31st March are as follows. Year 2015 4 lakh, 2016 3 lakh 98, year 2017 4 lakh 50,000, year 2018 4 lakh 45,000, and year 2019 5 lakh. Calculate the goodwill of the firm on the basis of 4 years purchase of 5 years average profit. Okay, let us calculate. Number 2. I have not written the formula already. The formula is same like question number 1. So question number 2. Let us write down the figures. 4 lakh plus 3 lakh 98,000 plus 4 lakh 50,000 plus 4 lakh 45,000 plus 5 lakh upon 5. Total number of years are 5. So let us have total 4, 7, 11, 15, 20, 21, 48, 21, 48, 21, 88, 21, 93. 21, 48, 21, 88, 93. Okay. Upon 5. So 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. 5 8s are 40. Okay, 5 6s are 30. Okay, so 4 lakh 38 600 we are going to multiply with number of years 4. So let us calculate. 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 8 are 32, 34, 3 carry, 4 12, and 3 15, 1 carry, 17,54,400 is the total. Now we move to next question. Question number 3. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of average profit of preceding 5 years, which were as follows: 2018-19 8 lakh, 2017-18 15 lakh, 2016-17 18 lakh, 2015-16 4 lakh, that is loss, 2014-15 13 lakh. It is clearly stated that on the basis of 3 years purchase of average profit of preceding 5 years, okay, and 5 years are given to us, but if you see the years given in the question, it is backward. Okay, first it is 18-19, then 17-18. You should always remember, suppose it is given the preceding 4 years, suppose in the question it is given preceding 4 years, so you have to take 18-19, 17-18, 16-17, 15-16, but in 14-15 you never take it. Okay, please remember, in this question it is not given, but if given, try to take from just previous years. Okay, question number 3, the formula is same. Whenever there is a loss in spite of profit, the loss will be deducted from that formula. Okay, please keep in mind. So let us start. It is given 8 lakh plus there is a profit of 15 lakh. Okay, then there is a profit of 18 lakh, and there is a loss of 4 lakh. Then again there is a profit of 13 lakh. Okay, so we are going to divide by 5. Let us see the amount. 8, 23, 23, 31, 41, 41, 37, 37, 40, 50. 50 lakh divided by 5, that will be 10 lakh. The average profit is 10 lakh and the number of years is given 3, it is 30 lakh. Is it okay? Now we move to question number 4. Calculate the value of firm's goodwill on the basis of 1.5 years purchase of average profit of the last 3 years. The profit for first year was 1 lakh. The profit of the second year was twice the profit of the first year, and for the third year profit was 1.5 times of the profit of the second year. Let us calculate the value of goodwill. Okay, 1 lakh. Second year's profit is 1 lakh, and it is twice of that. That will be 2 lakh. Third year's profit equals to, it is given that, and the third year profit was 1.5 times the profit of the second year. So 1.5 times, that will be 3 lakh. Now we are going to find out the average profit. Average profit equals to sum of all the years profit upon number of years. That is 1 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 3 lakh upon 3. So it is 6 lakh upon 3, 2 lakh. Okay. Now firm's goodwill equals to average profit into number of years purchase. It is given 1.5 years purchase, so 2 lakh into 1.5, that will be 3 lakh. This is the end of question number 4. We move to question number 5. Purav and Purvi are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They decided to take Purv into partnership for 1/4 share on 1st April 2019. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 4 times the average annual profit of the previous 4 or 5 years, whichever is higher. So we are going to compare the average profit and then we are going to find out the firm's goodwill. Okay, the agreed profit for goodwill purpose of the past 5 years are, the profits are given. Calculate the value of goodwill. Okay, let us start. 5. Average profit equals to sum of all the years profit upon number of years. Okay, now we are going to compare the things. 4 years average profit, 5 years average profit. Okay, formula I have already written. Average profit equals to, now we are going to compare first 4 years, so it will be counted from 15-16. Okay, so it will be 15,500. I have already explained why we are going to take, because we are going to take the closer years, not the year which is far away. Okay, plus 15,000 upon 4. 15, 30, 40, 56, 500 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. So it is 14,125. This will be average profit equals to 14,000 plus 15,500 plus 10,000 plus 16,000 plus 15,000 upon 5. So the total is 56, 60, 70,500 upon 5. So 5 on the 5, 2 carry 5 4s are 20, 5 on the 5, 10,100. Okay, but if you see, higher average profit is 14,125. So we are going to take this one only. This we are not going to take. Okay, so therefore firm's goodwill, whichever is higher, it is same. That's why we are taking average profit into number of times it is given you. Okay, so we are going to take number of times. So average profit is 14,125 into, it is given 4 times. So 250, 500 it is, and 14 4s are 56 to 56, 500 is our answer. Now we move to question number 6. Anu, Baby and Chetan are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses equally. They decided to take Deep into partnership from 1st April 2019 for 1/5 share in future profits. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 100% of the average annual profits of previous 3 or 4 years, whichever is higher. The annual profit for this purpose of goodwill for past 4 years where the profits are given, calculate the value of goodwill. Okay, so let us also same as question number 5, and that's why I have written the same formulas to calculate the question quickly. Okay, so let us start. Now first we are going to calculate 3 years average profit, and it is said 1918-17 we are going to take, so it will be 2,88,000 plus 1,81,800 plus 1,87,200 upon 3. Total will be 2, 3, 4, 8 is 24. So 6,40,000, 640, 648, 649, 649, 656, 656, 657, 6,57,000 upon 3. This will be 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, 2,19,000. Now we are going to take 4 years. So it is 2,88,000 plus 1,81,800 plus 1,87,200 plus 2,53,200. Now we are going to add directly in this profit. 657 plus 2, 857, 8, 9,10,200 upon 4. 4 2s are 8, 1 carry. 4 2s are 8, 3 carry. 4 7s are 28, 2 carry. 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So it is 2,27,550. So this side total is known. So we are going to take this one here, because it is saying which one is more. Now it is saying the goodwill is valued at the 100% of average profit. The average profit is 2,27,550 into 100%. That will be same 227,550. This is the end of question number 6. Now we move.